Así que corre como siempre, no mires atrás.
This is our second event in this community, and everybody is welcome. It's free. We started this a few years ago to show our community and unite other communities around here in the Lynn community. And we just had the police department. They took off. We invite the police department. We also invite the fire department to come out and show our support. So, everybody is welcome through the event. The committee calls the America Latino Committee. And the festival is Viva Latino America is the event today. So thank you guys for coming. We appreciate it. And you can show everybody, as you were recorded, that what we're doing in this community. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dulce Gonzalez. I'm a volunteer for the American Latino Committee, and today is July 28th, and we are here at Lynn Commons. Basically, this is the second time that the American Latino Committee hosts this event. We had hosted it in 2016. There's a ton of stuff for you to do. One of them includes a trolley that's going around the entire city giving tours in Spanish. In the back, you will see that the Lynn Police Department is giving free toys and gifts to kids. There's music, as you can tell, a lot of food, venues. It's really about promoting culture today. One of the biggest things that the Latino Committee has wanted to do is promote that as well. It's not just one culture, it's different cultures in the city of Lynn. We invite everybody in the city to come down and participate. All of this is promoted by our founder, Juan Gonzalez, who began this idea, and it all started from there. And it expanded to different members of the community who wanted to participate in this as well. So that's really what we're doing here.